Hey everybody, welcome back to the Unity Playground. In this episode 4.3, I'm going to talk about some gotchas that have to do with using static context in these scripts. So right now we've got slider script control from the last video, and it works just fine. But let's add something here. Debug.log initializing from object name. And that's not going to do anything revolutionary. It's just going to say down here in the console when it starts up, initializing from object slider first. I renamed it to slider first. And everything works just fine. But let's duplicate that and basically not touch it at all and hit go again. In fact, I'm just going to move it down here so we can see that one works and one doesn't, because that's what's about to happen. Now I'm going to hit reset and A and reset and A. So the simple explanation is that when you attach this exact script, it's got one of these anywhere in memory. So only one thing that has that script attached is really ever going to work. Now, I experimented with some of this a little bit. I tried creating a slider script control 2, and in there I changed the name of slider script control 2 everywhere, and once I did that, I attached it to this object, and it didn't have any errors or anything. But then at that point, the player is calling slider script control 1. It's calling slider script control. So they can coexist, but it's only going to ever call one of these. Now that's the simplest way to use statics. Of course, there are more advanced ways where you can control two scripts at once, but not simply by attaching this exact same script to two different sliders. It's not that simple. But the thing is, we don't need that. This is intended for a specific purpose. It's not intended to control all your sliders, and for the most part, you're not going to want many sliders that are doing exactly the same thing. That would be somewhat redundant. This will work perfectly for the case where you want one slider that is easy to access from your player script that can easily be affected, and this is perfect for that. Now for a little bonus, I'll show you how to make this vertical. You can change in the slider itself, change direction from left to right to bottom to top. Now it jumped off to the top left because the anchor was in the top left, but if we change it to bottom right, Shift Alt, then it jumps right down there, and probably should work instantly. Let's find out. R, reset, A, adds to it. Yep, real simple. So what else do you want to know about sliders? Let me know in the comments. I appreciate you watching this video series. It was pretty short, and I might think of some stuff later and give you some more bonus videos. But if you like videos like this and you want to see more, hit the like and subscribe button below. And thanks for watching one way or the other. I'll see you in the next video.